Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add package in Wix website easily. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can just simply get started with my link in the description down below. So now from here guys, once you are on Wix, first thing that you will do is simply go to all sites over here at the top and select your site. And after that, just simply click on edit site over here and it will redirect you to the Wix website editor. So guys, from here, just simply click on add apps over here on the left side with the 4 box icon. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and use the search button over here and search for pricing plans. And from here, guys, you will have multiple options that you can choose from. So this will be depending on you based on your preferences. So in my case, I will use Wix pricing plans over here. And from here, just simply click on add to site. And after that, it will automatically load up. And just wait for it to load. And now guys, from here, it will redirect you to this page. And after that, just simply click on manage plans over here on the top. And from here, it will redirect you to the dashboard. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and select the plan that you have and click on edit. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and have a plan name. So I'm gonna name this a package 1. And from here, just simply provide the cover image, the description, and the main features of what will happen to your package. And from here, you should be able to add a benefits as well. It's either be a blog subscription, a group, and down below you should be able to see here the pricing options so they can have a free of 1 month, and they can have a one-time payment, or they can have a reoccurring payment. And down below you should be able to see here the page permission, so make sure to set this up as well. And down below you should be able to see here the settings of your package. And once you are done guys, just simply click on save, and after that you should be able to add a package. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.